I think for me, I grew up in a really small town. I had friends that lived in trailers and we rode horses and did super country things and yeehaw. But I never thought I would dance, let alone be a professional dancer or anything like that. And I've kept a lot of my hometown friends, my family I'm really close with. And no matter what's going on in LA or Hollywood, I kind of always come back to that small town feel. I think one of the biggest challenges that Dytto and I were talking about earlier is actually what Brian was talking about is when you have a lot of eyes on you, everything is looked at and judged and criticized. And like he was saying, well, what if I just want to choreograph to my own music? People are going to say this or that. And you always, have those things, and you just have to have a strong support circle around you. And remember that the reason you started dancing, choreographing, performing, any of that is because you loved it. And as long as that is still there, then the rest doesn't matter. It doesn't really make a difference. If people like your stuff, great. If they don't, it doesn't matter. And that's what I always try to keep in my mind.